And there you have it, folks. This is the Chase Sapphire Preferred. I was going to originally do an unboxing experience, but there really is no unboxing. It's just a basic white envelope. The envelope doesn't even come with the Chase logo or anything. It's just a basic plain one. And it just comes with a pamphlet of the overview of the card, like the benefits that I will show later on. But yeah, these are the first impressions. You just see that nice little bluish color-ish. Yeah, there's really not that much to it. Yeah, but overall, I like it. Here it is. Again, this is the back side. Obviously, I just covered my information and all that. But this is a Chase Sapphire Preferred. And again, you can see that it contains a little bit of metal, as it says right here. Do not shred. I don't know if you can see it. There's some like edge to it. But it's really not that bolded like the American Express Platinum. Again, this is the Chase Sapphire Preferred. And I like the card. I'm using it. I'm a college student and I value points. So if you're considering it, I would say you should consider if you prefer points over cashback. So that's all I can give right now. I'll do a little drop test later. Yeah, you can just hear it. So here you have it. Here is the Chase Sapphire Preferred. Again, with the limited time offer of 80,000 bonus points after you spend 4,000 within the first 3 months of the account. And here's more of the breakdown of the bonus points. This is pretty much what comes into the envelope. It's just a pamphlet with all these benefits. Again, $50 statement and credit, $5 points for travel booked through the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal, 2x on other travel purchases, 3 points on dining. I use this for delivery service. They have a DoorDash complimentary service, so it's pretty good. So that for pretty much for the DoorDash, there's no service fees, which is pretty good. Yeah, but for me, it works for me since I always pick up instead of deliver. But if you prefer deliver, then the delivery fees are excluded. 3x points on online groceries, and 3x points on select streaming services. All around pretty good. Additional value for the ultimate rewards. Again, 25% more value when redeemed for travel. Each account anniversary, 10% of it. Pay yourself back feature. Again, 1 point transfer. Partner benefits, overall pretty good. Just remember that it is a $95 annual fee compared to the Chase Sapphire Reserve. Hopefully I can get it soon. Again, there's no limited time offer for this one. So 50,000 points after you spend 4,000 on purchases within the first 3 months. Just remember, pay attention to the annual fee. It's a big jump from 95 to 550 annual fee, $75 for each authorized user. But here it is. I feel like it pays for itself because of the $300 annual credit, which is pretty good. And more ways to earn. 5 points to travel, 10x points for hotels and other travel-like inquiries, 3x on travel worldwide after the first 300 is spent on travel purchases annually, 10x points on Chase dining. So again, compared to like the 5 or the 2 or the 3, pretty good. And here's the one that pretty gets everyone's attention, 50% more on redemption value, which is pretty good. So overall, it's pretty good, and that's the insight for the Chase Sapphire Preferred. And as I said, when it came in the mail, it just comes in a basic white envelope, not even the Chase logo on it or anything. Basic white envelope, and the pamphlet just includes all this that you see right here on the website. So overall, again, if you value points instead of cashback, then I highly recommend this card. If not, just do your due diligence and see what fits your current needs and lifestyle. Anyways, here is the drop test for it. I'll do it a few more times. And that is a Chase Sapphire Preferred.